Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, the Muslims would neither talk to Hazrat Abu Sufyan radiyallahu anhu nor sit in his company. He submitted to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, acknowledge my three requests. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, well, he submitted, Hazrat Habiba, Sufyan's daughter, is the comeliest and the prettiest girl of Arabia, so I marry you to her. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, okay. He then submitted, appointed Muawiyah as your scribe. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, okay. He then submitted, you may appoint me the commander of your army so that I may fight with the infidels as I used to fight with the Muslims. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, okay. Abu Zumail said, if he himself had not met this request, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would not have approved it. But it was his holy habit that whatever would be asked from him, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say yes, acceded to it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6359.